Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this beautiful cut crease that you see in my title. So right here I am taking, per the last video, ULTA's concealer in that one color that I'll link down below, as well as NYX's what is that stuff called, liquid lipstick that I hate with a passion. But I refuse to spend a bunch of money on P. Louise eye base. They're not really that expensive, but I don't want to spend that much on shipping. So yeah. Anyway, so I'm mixing up my own colors, and I am now putting them onto the lid. That obviously, since it's somewhat matte, it's going to dry matte, but that concealer is extremely matte, so I'm not too concerned about that. Right here, I'm taking just a cheap old blending brush that I got from Amazon like 19 years ago. I know I said 19, but I'm just blending it out. Making sure that the edges are nice and soft, that everything is blended out quite nicely. I'm then going in with a pink. It's a light pink from the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. And I'm just going over and just making sure that that is all nice and pretty and all that good stuff. Then next I am taking Coastal Scents. What color is this? This in the color, I want to say is it Venetian red? Oh, pomegranate. It's called pomegranate red. And I'm just going in and I was blending everybody out together. Then I'm taking a black with the brush. I'll leave it in somewhere, some other another, and I'm just cutting out my crease. As you can see, just darkening it up, just making it as dark as I need for it to be. I'm taking a pencil brush to really make sure that I blend everybody out together. And then again, this little, I think it's by Sigma. I think this is a Sigma brush. I'm going in and just blending out the edges again with all brushes that I possibly can think of. I just want to make sure that everybody is blended softly, honey, softly. Next, I'm taking a Q-tip with eye makeup remover, and I am carving out my crease. Now, let me tell y'all where I messed up at. So, you know how on this eye, I wish she showed up. And on this eye, I did it completely different than I did on the other eye. This eye, I put the white concealer on top of my eye, on top of that pink base on my other eye, and this eye I did not. I should have, because it made the pink darker on the other eye than it did on this eye. So next time, I'm telling y'all, do not, and I repeat, do not clean off your eye first. Put the white base down first and then clear it off, so that way it'll mix together and be that like a pretty pink. Do that pretty light pink, so do that first. All I'm doing now is going back over with the same colors that I put on my lid on those little crease areas. That's it. That's about it. And then I'm taking a Q-tip, which I'd suggest getting one of those pointed Q-tips and not a rounded Q-tip. Get you a pointed Q-tip and round it off so that way it won't be so hard. Here, obviously you can see, again, I'm cutting the middle cut crease. What you want to call this? I don't know what you want to call this, like the inside of the crease, the inside of the eyelid, the eyeball. I don't know what you want to call it, but I'm cutting it. And then I'm going in with the palette, by Makeup Revolution. Is called Fierce Fire, and it's this pretty color in the middle. Right there, you see it? Right there. I'm taking that color and I am putting that on my lid, and then I'm going back in with that black again in a blending brush, whatever the little teeny tiny brush is called. Y'all know what it's called. And going back over and make sure I didn't lose my black, because sometimes you'll lose the black. It'll just disappear. Next, I'm putting a white eyeliner on. I didn't put on any black eyeliner because there was no need. I put on mascara and put on lashes, honey. Y'all, do y'all want an updated lash tutorial? Because I don't know, man. I mean, nothing has really changed. I still use the same tweezers, which I have lost again. But anyway, yeah. Like, I'm terrible at putting on lashes, so I don't know. These are the same lashes that I used in my last video. I mean, it's the same. I don't want to say it's the same pair because I use a different pair, but they're the same kind. There we go. Again, I'm just taking those same colors that I used on my lid underneath my waterline. I'm angry that I did not put down the base first before I put it on, but it's fine. It's okay. I'm good. So just go back in the same colors that you put on your lid, put it on your waterline. Pink, red, black. Bam. Put on mascara. Right here, y'all have seen my updated, tutorial on my foundation. The link, you see the little eye right there? Yeah. It's right there. I posted that too, as well as it's in the description box. Next, I'm taking Makeup Revolution's Ultra Glow Palette number 2, and I'm just beaming. I'm putting on my beam right now, cause when I put this on, I'm litty. I'm litty to the city. I'm litty to the city. I need Jesus. I'm gonna leave the name of that lipstick. Actually, no, I think it's right here. Right here. Yeah. Got this in my Ipsy Glam bag, and it's from Juvie Cosmetics, I don't know. In the color Focoso. I don't know the name of that, but again, it'll be linked in the description box, as well as the name of this beautiful pinky stuff. I love it. It'll be linked down below. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you liked it a little bit. Maybe just a little bit. If you did, thumbs up. I was gonna say like it's Instagram. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. Please. And share it to the other people you know. Yeah. Again, I don't know when I will ever do a talk through. I don't think I'll ever do it. Like I said, my child, she's over there asleep now. But I don't think I'll ever do a talk through because my child cups up too much. So, yeah. Anyway, so this is the final look. Yeah, this is the final look. I'm tired. And I'm going to take this off. After I take like 30 more pictures. Yeah. And I'm going to take this off. And I'm going to go to sleep. And yeah, retwist my hair down, which by the way has grown so much. Oh my god, bro. I don't know what's going on right here, but I just know that whatever's going on right here, I don't know what texture this is, because it really isn't one. Like the back, you see that? Really, I don't know. I give up. I don't know. I don't care anymore. Anyway, but yeah, so this is it. I did do like I don't even know what you want to call it. Is it a mauve-y lip? Is this mauve? I guess you can say this is mauve. And I put, Kiss Me on top. Kiss me, baby. Turn around and so, anyway. But yeah, I put this on top. And I like it. Hope that you like it. I'm glad that y'all came along and watched me. Anyway, y'all, I'm tired. I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching. Like I said before, please like, subscribe, and share this video on every platform that you have. Please, thank you. Until next time, I love you guys. Deuces.